Passive income in online business. Passive income has become a buzzword in the online business world, and for good reason. The idea of making money on autopilot with minimal effort and time investment is appealing to many aspiring entrepreneurs. In the book Money on Autopilot, The Passive Income Blueprint for Online Success, the author explores the strategies and techniques that can help individuals achieve financial freedom through passive income streams. The book begins by defining passive income and its significance in today's digital era. The author emphasizes that passive income is not about getting rich quick, but rather about building sustainable income streams that can generate money even while you sleep. It is a long-term strategy that requires dedication and perseverance. One of the key concepts discussed in the book is the importance of creating multiple passive income streams. The author explains that relying on a single source of passive income can be risky, as it leaves individuals vulnerable to market fluctuations and changes in consumer behavior. By diversifying their income streams, individuals can mitigate these risks and increase their chances of long-term success. The book then delves into various passive income opportunities available in the online space. It covers a wide range of options, including affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, online courses, and more. The author provides practical tips and advice on how to get started with each of these income streams, including choosing the right niche, building an audience, and monetizing effectively. In addition to exploring different passive income opportunities, the book also emphasizes the importance of building a strong personal brand. The author believes that a strong personal brand can not only attract more customers but also open doors for additional revenue streams, such as speaking engagements and partnerships. The book provides guidance on how to build a personal brand, including tips on content creation, social media management, and networking. Throughout the book, the author emphasizes the need for continuous learning and adaptation. The online business landscape is constantly evolving, and what may have worked yesterday may not work today. The author encourages readers to stay updated with industry trends, experiment with new strategies, and be open to change. By staying proactive and adaptable, individuals can stay ahead of the competition and maximize their passive income potential. Furthermore, the book addresses the common misconceptions and myths surrounding passive income. The author debunks the idea that passive income requires no effort or work. While passive income may require less active involvement compared to traditional employment, it still requires initial setup, ongoing maintenance, and occasional adjustments. The book emphasizes the importance of setting realistic expectations and being willing to put in the necessary effort to achieve passive income success. In conclusion, Money on Autopilot, The Passive Income Blueprint for Online Success is a comprehensive guide for individuals looking to generate passive income in the online space. The book covers a wide range of income opportunities, provides practical tips and advice, and emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. By following the strategies outlined in the book, readers can start building their own passive income empire and achieve financial freedom.